Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 336. The title of today's lesson is Do Not Say That You Caught a Cold or the Flu for a week. Okay, so let's take a look at the note here. You cannot say that you caught a cold or the flu for a period of time. So in the title, I just used the week as an example, but it doesn't really matter. You shouldn't say I caught a cold for 5 days or for 3 days or for 6 days. All of them, this would all imply that you were in the process of catching a cold the whole period of time. So let's continue here. So because that would imply or suggest you were in the process of catching cold for the stated period of time. So the period of time doesn't really matter, but so you shouldn't say it that way. All right, so let's take a look here. With the X, of course, this is wrong. I caught the flu for 5 days. No, you would never say that because, again, that would mean that you were in the process of catching it for 5 days. Usually by the time you realize you got it already. You have it, so you're not in the process anymore. So this is why you wouldn't say this. So I gave a number of correct ways that you could say it with the check. I had the flu for 5 days. This is probably the best. This is the easiest. This is what you mean. It means you caught the flu and you were trying to recover from it or get over it for 5 days. So the second one here, you can say I caught the flu 5 days ago. That you could say. You can't say I caught the flu for 5 days, but you could say I caught the flu 5 days ago. It took me 5 days to get over the flu. Or it took me 5 days to recover from the flu. So get over and recover here have the same meaning. This is how long it took you to get your health back. And the last one here, I was sick with the flu for 5 days. This is another way that's okay. You could say it that way too. All right, great. All right, so we just give the same sort of example with cold here because this pattern follows both. So again, with the X, this would be wrong. If you said, I caught a cold for 10 days, no, you can't say that. Again, it would mean that you're in the process of catching the cold. Again, by the time you know you got the cold, you already have the cold. It's already in your body. So you're not in the process of doing it. So again, with the check, all of these would be correct. I had a cold for 10 days. Yeah, perfect. It's very simple, very easy. I caught a cold 10 days ago. All right, so you could use a caught and then a go. It took me 10 days to get over this cold, or it took me 10 days to recover from this cold. And the last one here, I was sick with a cold for 10 days. All of those ways are okay. Anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it's clear. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.